All right, today we're gonna bring an outdoor solar. This has a 360 view. This is easy to set up. Now, included instructions, and the instructions are very crucial because that's where you actually download the application to install the app that's gonna be running this camera. Now, the solar panel is durable. It's made for outdoor graded, all right? And it has a connection with a micro USB connection. So this solar panel can work for other devices too, Arlo and other cameras too. Now, there's two pieces to it. There's an attachment for the actual solar panel, which is on the top of here. It goes right over the panel itself, and this attaches to the wall. Now, they do give you the actual, not drywall mounts, but these are actually for any concrete mounts, all right? So if you're gonna do it outdoors or indoors, you can just do it with the screw. Either way, it mounts up in the bottom here. It takes you a couple minutes to actually mount it up. Once you set that up, you clip this on the bottom of the camera and it just rotates in there, right? And this, you have to rotate it into it and it automatically sets up. So if you ever have to remove it for any reason that the charge is failing or there's not enough sun that day, you can always manually charge it. And they do give you the actual USB, type A to type micro USB, if you guys can see that. So we're gonna put this out today and see how it works in the day and the night. So some of the features that you should be aware, there's a reset button and there's a micro SD card reader. And this is for, you could set up your own SD card, and then the power button is in here. And the reset, if you're gonna sell this or you're gonna give it away, you can always just set it to factory warranty, factory settings, all right? Now, another great thing about it, in the back of it is the actual charging area. Make sure you only use a little part of the charging part, all right? So the USB, micro USB. It does have two-way mic, so you could talk to whoever's on the other end, and it does have a tracking and AI built in. You could set up zones for it, and today we're going to put it in our backyard and see how it works. If you want to release the camera, there is a release camera mechanism too, not just twisting, but you got to hold back too, all right? So just be aware of that. All right, so we're going to push the power button on to turn it on. If you guys can see, the power buttons are up here. When you hold it, it turns on, it makes a noise. We're gonna go ahead and add device, all right? Hit OK. Solar panel. It's asking you for a service. If you want to pay the service, $4.99 a month, we say no. And then it needs an update. We're gonna update the camera.